when the blood gets filtered through the kidney, then what happens? From the kidney, what are these tubules called, children? These are nothing but ureter. Okay. From here, you have a bladder. Okay, where the urine is stored, and you have a urethra, right? So the correct sequence is this one: kidney, ureters, bladder, and then urethra, children. Okay, so this is the correct option. D is the correct option. Third one: which of the following components of blood help in immunity? Immunity means, here you can see that certain WBC cells help in actually engulfing the foreign substance. I have taught you this in my previous video session, where I showed you a macrophage engulfing a foreign particle. So this also comes under immunity, children. Some of the specialized B cells help in producing antibodies. So all that is related to WBCs. They help in immunity. Talking about RBC, what is the function of RBC? RBCs help in transporting oxygen to various parts of the body, and platelets help in the blood clotting. So they form a plug, that is called as a platelet plug. If there is any puncture in the vein or artery, if there is any puncture, small hole, all the platelets gather and they form a platelet plug. So that helps in the blood clot. Okay, so that is what is written here. Which of the following components of blood help in immunity? It is WBC. Got it, children? Let's see some more questions now. We've got 2 questions. Okay, let's see the fourth one now. You can see that there's a figure given. Many times you see such questions where a figure is given and the question will be asked regarding that figure, children. So when such questions are given, observe the figure carefully. Okay? The figure below shows the blood flow from artery to Q and then to R. So what is Q? So you can see here that the blood flows through the artery, through the Q and then to R. So what is Q here? So R is also not shown here, not mentioned here, and Q also you have to find out. You can see that there is a network of blood vessels here. So this network is nothing but called as capillaries, children. So this is where, the blood, the gases exchange, and then, the deoxygenated blood becomes, oxygenated blood becomes deoxygenated and is carried through a vein. So R is nothing but vein here, and what is Q? It is nothing but network of blood vessels, which is blood capillaries, children. Okay? So Q is capillary. So you can see here options are given: A capillary, vein, heart, and skin. So it is capillary. Next question: which of the following sequence shows the correct path for the flow of blood? So we know that in heart we have 4 chambers, 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. And how does the blood flow? What is the direction? How the blood flows? So again, these kind of options are little confusing. So what you have to do? First think of the right answer and write it somewhere with pencil, and then match that answer with the options. If you directly see like this, you'll get confused. So what is it? Left atrium. From the left atrium, the blood flows to the left ventricle and then to the aorta. Okay, this is only the correct option, children. First, left side of the heart. Left atrium to left ventricle and then to the aorta. So this is the right option. I'll stop it here. Next week I'll come again with few more practice questions. Meanwhile, prepare well.